Welcome. Today I'm going to walk you through the updated process of adding your phone number to your LinkedIn profile on a PC. LinkedIn has made some changes, so let's ensure you're up to date and can easily manage your contact information. First, head over to linkedin.com and log into your account. Once you're on your homepage, look towards the top right corner. You'll spot the Me icon. It's usually your profile picture or a generic avatar if you haven't uploaded one. Go ahead and click on that. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various aspects of your LinkedIn experience. Once you're in the Settings and Privacy area, navigate to the Account Preferences section. This is where we'll find the options to modify your profile information. Within Account Preferences, you'll see several options. Look for Profile Information and then click on Name, Location, and Industry. This section allows you to manage the core details displayed on your profile. Don't worry, we're not changing your name today, just accessing the contact information settings. On the subsequent page, you'll find a Contact Info section. Click on Edit Contact Info to proceed. This is where you can add or modify your email address, phone number, and other relevant contact details. Now you should see the Phone Number bar. Here, you can add your phone number. Make sure to select the correct country code from the drop-down menu before entering the rest of your number. This ensures that your number is correctly formatted and can be used for verification purposes. Once you've entered your phone number, double-check it for accuracy. After you're sure it's correct, click the Save button. LinkedIn may send a verification code to your phone to confirm that you own the number. Follow the instructions to verify your number if prompted. Your mobile phone number must be verified before it can be used to reset your account password. And that's it. You've successfully added your phone number to your LinkedIn profile using the updated process. Keeping your contact information current is essential for networking and ensuring people can reach you. Whether it's for job opportunities, professional collaborations, or staying in touch with your connections, having an up-to-date phone number on your profile is a smart move.